going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, guys, we definitely need to know how the world works. And then plus, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. Keep it coming. Remember, I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we are lifting up a little. Now, guys, we know that we have CME tonight, which is going to swing the market. But then also, we have back on the 16th, and we know we're going to have a pullback unless we see the manipulation. So we already know what to look for. Make sure you're looking at the indicators, volume, tether, USDC. Of course, we have the Fed manipulating yields on a daily basis, guys. We see trillions of dollars in the market manipulating stocks and crypto. That's the only reason why this economy is standing up. Now we have the IMF advocates for coordinated crypto policy among the world governments. And guys, we know this thing is global. This is bringing on the robots, algorithms, and drones to replace humanity in the workforce. So cross-border collaboration, and we also know cross-border payments are going to be very, very important. And that's the reason why Stellar XRP is going to be very important to the scheme of things. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. Do not forget about the Grayscale whale. If you are buying and selling billions at a time, you're going to swing the market. But this week coming up, guys, is going to be a roller coaster ride. And then plus, we know the Fed has to start unwinding. Plus, we know the digital yuan is going to be effective the first quarter of next year. And now in the media, they're talking about raising rates starting in March. And guys, remember, this is a coordinated collapse. We know if they raise rates, it's going to crush the economy. They tried that when we only had a $3 trillion balance sheet. Now it's about $8 to $10 trillion balance sheet. They definitely can raise rates. Of course, if they raise rates, then we know they're ready to crash this baby. But we know they have that solution in the back pocket, and that is crypto. But we know we're waiting on that main event that's going to distract the masses so they can run out the back door with the money. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Metaverse opens the gateway for luxury NFTs to become a multi-billion-dollar market. And guys, we know it's going to happen because everything that we do is going to be tokenized, put on blockchain. Inside the Metaverse, nothing is going to be real. We're already living in an illusion already. But really, nothing is going to be real, including yourself, because you're going to be an avatar. And remember when I said that before, I know you laughed, but now you're starting to see come to reality. Remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. Now we have Bitmart plans to reimburse hack victims as crypto community voices support. And then also we have crypto exchange Ascenx hacked for $78 million in the latest swindle. And guys, we're going to see more and more hacking, not just in crypto, but in the scheme of things. We know we're going to have a cyber war. It's not going to be about physical, it's going to be cyber. And then lastly, guys, we have Brazilian fintech Nubank is now publicly listed in the U.S. and Brazil. And guys, who's backing this bank? That's right, Warren Buffett. And they're into crypto. They give their clients exposure to Bitcoin. The same Warren Buffett that hates Bitcoin. Remember what I teach you guys. Follow the money. Do not listen to a billionaire. Follow his money. And you will win every time. Because remember, when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks of Seabird, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tanya save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tanya save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tanya goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.